For this activity, you're going to need 2 pieces of wax paper and some newspaper. That's it. Oh, and you got to go outside and get some beautiful fall leaves. Go get yours and meet me back here. Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Stories and More. Here's where the magic happens. Okay, we are in my library. Anyway, yesterday we read a book called There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed Some Leaves. It is still fall time out here. I am going to go outside with you. We are going to pick some leaves and we are going to make a cute wall hanging, or you could, I guess, make it into a placemat or whatever you want. We're going to pick some beautiful, colorful leaves, the few that are left. I guess I should have done this earlier. And we're going to make a little craft with it. Join me outside. Okay, so we are on a hunt for some leaves. Come on, pups. Let's get some leaves. We need some good, colorful leaves, and not the brown, crunchy kind, because they're going to crumble if I put them in there. I hope we can find some colorful ones out here. Oh, a lot of them look brown. I don't want to pluck them off the tree. Oh, what do I have here? Oh, that could work. That could work. It's yellow, a little spotted, but that's okay. Let's try and find all different kinds. I think we can take a couple, don't you? Ooh, a red one. That's a nice one. This is some kind of maple tree. Let's see if we can get another one. Oh, here's a nice one. Oh, that's got some holes. Ooh, this is like half brown, a little bit of green, and red. I'm gonna take that one. All right, let's see what else we find. Even though that's brown, it's soft. It's not crumbly yet. Look at the size of that leaf. Well, that won't fit in our project, but that would be kind of cool. Or that. Oh, ooh, I wonder if I could fit that one in. We're gonna have to make that one fit. That's pretty. All right, meet me at the craft table. As you see here, I've laid down my wax paper onto my countertop. Now, make sure that you're doing this in a safe place where you can use the heat of an iron. So I printed out a nice fall festive sign, and I'm going to put my leaves in here. I'm just going to put them around however I think they'd look nice. Let's see. And I hope you're doing the same. Okay, we want to lay these as flat as we can. Let's see. And we want a mixture of different kinds of leaves, don't we? So that way it really looks cool. Actually, I think I'm going to pick that one out. And you could put them going all different ways. They don't all have to face the same way, right? Maybe we'll put this one over here. I apologize for this video being a little wobbly because I'm holding it. Now that you have arranged your leaves how you want, you're going to place the other piece of wax paper on top of the first, and you're going to take your newsprint and put it down. You don't want to melt the wax paper. Okay, and then we're going to simply iron. Okay. So I'm going to do this and I'll be back. Okay, so I saw that with using the newsprint, it was not working. So I think the newsprint would be better to go underneath just so it doesn't stick to your counter or whatever you're using. But I'm doing it on, so far I don't think it'll stick. stick. I also think if I redid this, I would take the stems off. So if you're doing this, take the stems off. I think it'll stick a lot better. They're making it a little hard to get the wax paper to get together, and some of them are puncturing through. But it actually is coming out quite nice, regardless of those facts. What do you think? Last thing, you're going to want to make sure that you have a little bit of a border all the way around so the two pieces can stick together and not, see how this is coming out? And it's going to leave a space in between. We don't want that, so I'm going to snip that. Okay, friends, so I'm going to put this in a window that doesn't have a screen, but for right now, the way the light is coming in right now, I wanted to put it up on the window that has the screen so you can see the light behind it. Wait till you see this. Isn't that pretty? And the edges are sealed, and it was easy to do. It's fun to go out in the fall leaves, walk around your neighborhood, pick out your favorite ones, or just go in your backyard, get a couple pieces of wax paper. I would suggest putting the newspaper below it, not on top of it, or I didn't end up needing it because I was on a quartz countertop, but if you're not, you're definitely going to want to protect whatever you're doing it on. Have an adult or someone older help you, since it's a hot iron. You're going to put it on your hottest setting, and look, just look at all the different kinds of leaves and the colors. I definitely will do this again next year. Next year I'm going to do it earlier so I can get the oranges and all. I was kind of limited on the colors of leaves and shapes that I had because most of them have been already raked up or have turned brown, but I'm really happy with how it came out. So like, share, and definitely tag me if you do this activity. I can't wait to see your finalized projects, what colors and shapes of leaves you found. You could tag me on YouTube, you could tag me on Instagram, both at Kids Stories and more. We love having you here. Come back again for another activity later in the week, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.